Well, we're here sorting out Sunfish parts. Got a 1960s style rudder for the 1963 Alcort Sunfish chip. We're just going to sand it lightly, but of course you know how that goes. We decided to go ahead and pull it apart and get the entire assembly sanded down. We just poured some bleach on it, so it's drying now, and we'll get it varnished, put back together tomorrow probably. Here's some rub strips that are going to go on the side. I just went to Lowe's and found a little piece of pine trim. It's got a similar profile. You see that little red rub strip on the zip over there? It's going to go on and protect this deck edge up here. So we've got some Total Boat topside primer on it right now. It is it's pine, so it's soft wood, so it does need to be sealed up, or else you could have it rot right off if it was exposed to any significant weather, any large amounts of time outside. Doobie, our buddy at Lowe's, gave us a little tip. There are different pre-cut trims up there, and this is solid wood. So it's one piece of wood all the way from one end to the other. There are some other trims out there that are finger jointed, so you get little short pieces of wood and they stick them together. And he said the glue in that is not, you know, waterproof glue, so you have to watch it and make sure it doesn't just start splitting apart on you. So that's a good tip. So look for the solid pine pieces. You know, pine is a good little boat building material. It just needs to be sealed with paint or epoxy or varnish. Speaking of varnish, here's the I think it's the 5th coat now of Total Boat Halcyon amber gloss varnish out of the pour pack. We brushed well, 2 coats yesterday, brushed a coat a little over an hour ago, and then just came over top of it without sanding and brushed it again. I know y'all might have been watching the video yesterday, may have been holding your breath. It looked like on the end of the Daggerboard here, like we were missing, there were some dry spots, but just to let you know, we got them. So everybody feels better and can exhale like Douglas out there. It's taken care of. This cleans up with water, so I'll go try to experiment with that, see if it actually does clean up with soap and water as advertised. Here's Chip. First coat of paint is dry over 1 coat of primer, and we're going to go back and fill in a few areas. You can see some, it'll show up with this light here. Probably not, it's pretty glossy, but we do have some lighter shaded areas, and we've got a few areas where with the deep grain, we're going to fill that in a bit. So we'll come back with a 2nd coat, which is what we expected to do, of Total Boat Wet Edge Blue Glow White, and get that going. Hope y'all are having a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.